Hello YouTube, it's me again. This right here, this messy part, I gotta clean the floor and I have to make a new scrap bin, but here's my drill I was using last week, making something for my father-in-law. But anyway, I have a whole pile of, I keep all the little scrap bins. I have to make a bin. I haven't found a really good way to keep all these little things, but I keep all the little scrap bins here. Some might say I'm a hoarder, but you know what? I use a lot of these things sometimes. Right now I'm trying to collect all the half-inch square stock out of here. This shit's dangerous. I mean, it gets really crazy, but I'm planning on making something with all these things. I have a ton of little tiny square stock, and I have like pieces of metal under there. There's a inner bombshell, table legs, there's stainless steel. I just collect all kinds of pieces of metal, and well, when you need it, you got it. If you don't have any junk, well, you can't make any junk. So yeah, there's my that's my scrap bin. I will attach this into another video and show you what I'm going to do. So anyway, because it's kind of boring just looking at a pile of junk. Here's my milling machine in case you're really bored. So I'll get back to that.